Hey everyone, what's up? As you can see, there's tons of snow out here. And that's why I designed this origami model. This is an origami Snowman Flicker. And this is how it flies. Oh yeah! Look at that. It fell in the snow head first. Okay, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Snowman Flicker, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. You could use a sheet of printer paper cut square, but I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin with the colored side up. So I'm going to have the white side be the color of the finished snowman. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half, but we're just going to make 2 crease marks. Like that. Unfold. And now fold to the crease marks. Oh, it is cold out here. We're supposed to get negative digit weather very soon. Rotate and fold to the top. And yes, I'm doing this video out here in the snow because I thought that'd be interesting. Okay, rotate and fold in half, but let's just make 2 crease marks. Like that. And now fold to the crease marks. Okay, unfold, rotate, and fold this up to the crease marks. Like that. Okay, unfold, and now turn over and take this edge and fold it to the crease. It doesn't matter which side you're doing this on. And just make 2 crease marks. Like this. Unfold, rotate, and take this edge and fold it to the 2 crease marks. Like this. See? And that's what it looks like. Okay, now rotate like this. And now, we're gonna take this. Let's just make our pre-crease first. So take this edge and fold it to the crease. Unfold, and now fold this like this and squash. And make sure the edges align right here too. Okay, and repeat on this side. I'm gonna zoom out so the camera focuses better. It's already getting dark, so I better hurry up and get this done. Okay, so this is going to be the head, and this is going to be the body. So let's, if you want a tall snowman, then you can fold this up like this, and you'll end up with a really tall snowman like that. That's why we made that crease earlier. But if you want to just make an average sized one, it's pretty windy out here. I hope you guys can hear my voice. So if you want to make one like that, then fold this up to here, like this. Okay, unfold, and now stick it underneath the edge. Like that. Oh yeah, make sure it's really flat too, because it's going to be a flicker. If you want it to be a flicker. Okay. Alright, now the last little bit is you're just going to shape it into a snowman. So, I'm going to start with the head. So just fold like this. Alright, now the body. I'm going to fold like this. And then the bottom. This is all to taste. Like that. And now to make these flaps stay down better, just kind of pinch them in half. Just pinch them, you don't have to fold them. Like this. And do it with all the flaps sticking up. Okay, and once it did that, there's your Snowman Flicker done. And you can draw a face on there if you want, like you did on this model. But I don't have a pen out here with me, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fly this. Here we go. Alright, so to fly this model, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. There, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It didn't spin so well in the air because of the wind. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.